everyone, today we're making hay. That rhymes, but we're making hay.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our farm.
We are Jordan and Tysa Blaylock. For years we had been dreaming of having our own farm.
And then one day, we bought this old farmhouse today.
It's full of stuff.
We happened upon this gorgeous 1920 craftsman-style farmhouse on 12.5 acres. And we bought it, as is, full of stuff and in need of lots of love. So we packed up our kids, we sold our house, and we moved out to one of the barns in a little vintage travel trailer.
While we restore, renovate, and add on to this beautiful old home.
All right, you guys, today we're turning all this grass into hay. To the best of our knowledge, our field hasn't been hayed in maybe 4 years, and in order to maintain a healthy field, it needs to be hayed. So we offered the neighbor behind us the hay if he wanted to cut it. He said that would be great and offered us what we need for our animals, and then he would take the rest. He got together with 2 other neighbors who collectively had all the equipment needed to do it, and they got it done. We got to kind of sit back and watch and learn, and we want to show you guys all that. So we watched them go through a 4-step process. The first neighbor came and mowed, and then a couple days later another neighbor came and raked it all into rows. And then the third neighbor came and baled it all up, and then the first neighbor came back, wrapped it, and took it to where they store it. making hay. We harvested our first full crop on the farm, and we made some hay. So exciting.
Marshmallows.
Oh, giant marshmallows.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.